Hello and welcome to another short video from CBS Automotive. My name is Ardil and I'd just like to show you the installation that we've carried out on this particular vehicle. This is a VW T5 that we've been working on. The customer originally came into us with the problem that on high beam there wasn't enough light coming out of the headlights. So we've got a solution for that. Also, at the same time of installing these, we've also upgraded the radio in the vehicle as well as installed his dash cam. So I'll show you the LED lights that we put on the front. I've got the engine running and high beam on at the moment. So as you can see there, really bright little light that's been mounted into the grille. What I've just shown you there is basically the vehicle had a bumper replacement done prior to this customer actually buying his vehicle, and there was gaps in that bumper, so what we've done is fill those with black slots. So in terms of the actual radio itself, we step inside the vehicle. As you can see, this is the Kenwood DMX 7017. What this unit in particular gives you is Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, digital radio, retaining your existing FM, and then in terms of features you can also at a later date add the optional extra of a reversing camera into this, but it gives you Bluetooth hands-free, Bluetooth streaming, really modernises the vehicle. As you can see here, we've got what's called a 3 dB gain antenna. It's got a little microphone, the GPS antenna is hidden away, and then this is the dash cam. So this dash cam was supplied by the customer. We're more than happy to install products that aren't supplied by us. This was actually supplied with a USB adapter, so we use what's called an S53, and we wire to a feed that has the tolerance for the amp draw, and that's all calculated and included within the service. So the lights on the front, they're a laser LED light. So what I'll do, there's a link on our website and I'll pop that down below as well. But basically your normal lights are on with your dip beam, and then as soon as you go to your high beam, your laser lights come on. So it just gives you a little bit more visibility at night, especially if you're on a campsite or something like that. With all the solutions that we do at CBS Automotive, we always return all the bits and pieces that was from your car in one box, all back to you, so it's all in one place for you, including your user manual, as well as all the products that we haven't used within a kit. I feel that's really important, because at some points you may want to remove the unit and put your factory system back in and move this unit to another car, so it is a bit more of an investment style of purchase. And for more details on laser lamps, DAB radio upgrades, or Apple CarPlay upgrades to vehicles, or even dashcam installations on the VW T5 and T6 range, please do give us a call. Our contact number is 01223 56 30 30. Also, if you want to check out some individual product shots from the laser lamps as well as the DAB radio, please feel free to check out our gallery, which I'll be uploading them shortly. Cheers, thank you very much.